Hi, and welcome to another edition of the Coast Spot. Today's the third annual Ho-Dad Surf Competition here in Ocean Beach, California. So we're gonna go venture into Ocean Beach and see what's happening at this surf competition with music, food, and a local community that's gonna have a lot of fun today. Stay tuned. We've got a rider that caught the wave the Pier leg. Get a little footwork, maneuvering. Off in the distance, we've got another set coming in. And we have takeoff. We've got a left. Carving through the white one. Nice little ride coming in short. On board for a long ride.
All right, open right now. Point Longboard open for a reasonable length. Hearing some discrepancies about the retro heat. I'm not sure of the rules, but I know the heat console probably is, and it sounds like you have to be riding an actual 70 single fin.
You've overheard the announcer from the judges booth. They're discussing for this vintage heat that you have to have a 1970 style board with a single fin in order to compete in this current heat. So modern boards have multiple fins, whereas old school longboards were constructed with a single fin on them. That current heat is for competitors with longboards with single fins that are competing as vintage riders. Now we've got a gentleman going out with an underwater camera. These water tools that are able to swim out and get some water footage of the riders catching these waves. Great coverage here at this event. Tons of talented people, lots of love, lots of food, lots of music. Great sports competition here. Got a rider coming in. Off by the walk on water cafe. We've got a rider who's just coming in, dropping in on the left, riding in with his heat. Getting caught up in the white water. So thanks again for staying tuned to the Coast Spot as we continue our coverage here on the Ocean Beach Surf Classic during this current heat of vintage wave riding on longboards with single fins. We've got a rider in the green jersey coming in on the left as well. Doing a little bit of footwork, maneuvering through. We are waiting for this next set to come in where he can really take off. Another back shot of our spectators. Our judges booth showing we've got 9 minutes left in this current heat. Our vendors, our spectators on the seawall, our Point Loma High School local surf chapter is competing in the event, and off in the distance down to Dog Beach